High voltage electricity, moving vehicles and heavy machinery make our railways highly dangerous environments for employees and contractors who work on and near them. Rail companies have a duty of care to keep their people and tracks safe while creating the most productive working environments to ensure systems, trains and depots are maintained day in, day out. With more than 100 years in the sector, at Centric, human safety, optimised maintenance operations and railway productivity is in our DNA. The Zonegreen Smart Depot Personal Protection System mitigates risk by using interlocking technology, physical deraillers and cutting-edge warning systems to ensure trains only move when there is no danger to human life or risk of equipment damage. The growing trend for electrified rail systems is increasing the risks faced by maintenance staff. By using our interlocks on high-level gantries, gates can only be opened when the overhead line is isolated, eliminating the risk of electrocution. No more relying on verbal or visual confirmation to keep people safe. And we don't just protect people and equipment inside the depots. We safeguard trackside objects using trapped key interlocks. Level crossings, access gates and points remain motionless until every human on the track is out of harm's way. With robust systems and pioneering technology, Centric is your trusted partner in all things rail safety. We guide you through design, installation and aftercare, protecting your investment, keeping your people safe and ensuring your trains run like clockwork. Elevate your rail safety with Centric. Get in touch with one of our experts today for more information.